Hello, AllTech family. My name is Derek. I'm going to be showing you guys the active filter that we offer to a lot of our customers. This is the absolute best filter on the market possible. Because when I say active filter, it is being sent voltage to this to energize this pad inside of our filter. Okay, so this pad sits inside the filter. It'll be sent voltage and it'll be energized. The reason we would like to energize our filter and make it an active filter is because our standard 1-inch pleated filter is not going to catch all the particles and microns that you need to catch to protect your system and the air quality inside of your home. So this filter would be installed like any other regular filter. You would take it in your filter slot on your system and you would just slide it in, right? And then there's a simple plug that would then plug into your filter right here. Boom. And that's that. Right now, when you're taking this out, all you would do is you would unplug this right here, grab it right here, and slide it right back out. Okay, now when you notice this pad starts to get impacted with dust and debris, all you're doing is you're taking out this pad, boom, let's say this is a new one, pushing it back in, and locking it back in. It's that simple. But this filter right here will save you a lot of time, money, and headaches just because of the simple fact that it's catching every single particle of dust and debris that enters your system.